Good morning, children. We have completed our exercise 8.1. Today we will start our exercise 8.2. So the question number 1, convert the given fractional numbers to percents. अब हमको इसको क्या करना है, परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है, तो वी नो कि इफ़ वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट एनी वैल्यू इनटू परसेंट, so we have to multiply the value by 100%. Okay, so the question 1 is 1.8. So 1.8 into 100%. ठीक है, so it will be written as 4 2 जा 8, then 4 2 जा 8 and 4 5 जा 25 upon 2, and it will be 12.5%. Understood? Again this will be upon into 100%. So 4 2 ja and 4 5 ja and 25 5 ja 125%. Getting? Into 100%. 0 0 cancelled. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja. So 5 3 ja 15 upon 2. It means 7.5%. Then 2 upon 7 into 100%, that will be 200 upon 7%, or we can divide it can be written as 28:4 by 7%. Okay. Now question number 2, convert the given decimal fraction to percent. First is given 0.65. परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो डायरेक्ट 100% से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विल बी 65%. डेसिमल से जब मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो यहाँ 100 है, तो ये डेसिमल वैल्यू टू वैल्यू राइट शिफ्ट हो जाएगी, सो 65%. ओके. B1 2.1 इंटू 100%. अब 2.1 को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं, 2.1 इंटू 100. ठीक है, पहले नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. 0 0 0 0 इंटू 1 2 0 0 1 2, है ना. एंड हियर वी कैन सी आफ्टर डेसिमल ओनली वन वैल्यू इज देयर, सो राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड आफ्टर वन वैल्यू वी विल पुट द डेसिमल. So answer will be 210%. Understood? C1 0.02 into 100%. दो वैल्यू राइट शिफ्ट होगा, सो 2%. D1 12.35 into 100%. दो वैल्यू राइट शिफ्ट होगा तो 1235%. That's the answer. Getting? Question number 3. Estimate what part of the figure is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. Understood? So here we can see that we have how many parts? We have 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts, so it will be written as 1/4. Here I have 1 2 3 4 5 parts, so it will be written as 3/5. 3/5. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 parts, so it can be written as 3/8. What it can be written? 3/8. Okay, so first one 1/4 into 100%, so this will be 25%. B1 3/5 into 100, so 5 2 ja and 0 ja 3 2 ja 6, this is 60%. C1 what I have 3/8 3/8 into 100%, so this will be 25 यानी 75/2, 37.5%. Understood? Now question number 4. Find 15% of 250. So 15% means percent means 1/100. Okay, of means multiply 250. 0 0 cancelled, then 5 3 ja and 5 2 ja, so 75/2, it means 37.5. 37.5, that's the answer. Getting? Question number B. 1% of 1 hour. 1% means 1/100 of 1 hour. 1 hour means we can write it as we can convert it into minute also, or we can directly write it as 1 hour. Okay. One percent of 1 hour. 1/100 into 1 hour. We can write here as 24 minute also. Okay, but answer will be 0.01. देखो, अगर 1 को 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 0 टाइम में जाएगा सबसे पहले, फिर डेसिमल लगाएंगे, 1 0 लगेगा, फिर 1 0 लगेगा, फिर 1 0 लगेगा, तो 100 1 जा 100. सो आंसर इज 0.01. C1 20% यानी 20/100 ऑफ 2500. 2 zeros will be cancelled. 25 2 ja 50. That is 500. Getting? Then D1 75% of 1 kg. 75% means 75/100 into 1 kg. So 3 ja 4 ja 3/4 कितना होगा सॉल्व करने से? 4 से डिवाइड करो 3 को. 4 zeros are then decimal, then 0. .75. That's the answer. Okay. Question number 5. Find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. Concentrate. Okay. 5% means 5/100. Of means multiply. It means x, y, z. You can take any variable. Is means equal to 600. Now convert it. Okay. X is equal to 600. ये डिवीजन किस में चला जाएगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. और मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन. 12,000. Answer is what? 12,000. B1 12% of it is 1080. So 12% means 12/100. Of means multiply. It means x is 1080. So x is equal to 1080 into 100/12. 9,000. X is equal to 9,000. Okay. Question number C. 40% of it is 500 kilometer. 40% means 40/100 into x is equal to 500 kilometer. So x is equal to 500 into 100/40. 1250. X is equal to 1250. D. 70% of it is 14 minute. X is equal to 14 into 100/70. That is 20 minute. Okay. E1 8% of it is 40 liter. So x is equal to 40 in x is equal to 40 into 100 upon 8, that is 500 liter. This is the answer. If any doubt will be there, you people can ask me. Okay.